Good. Hello, I'm going to start the presentation. Okay. So this is a chatbot that which I created. The name of chatbot is called RideMeHome. RideMeHome is a one-stop shop for potential car owners to buy new cars or even for rental of cars. So we also help to provide, after-sales service by offering car servicing package and also renewal car insurance. So the portal or the chatbot itself enable customer to check the new price, the cost of listing, and provide car loan estimations, even schedule to book a test drive of a car. So this chatbot, the main business domains for automobile. So the target audience is actually existing customer or new client looking for purchase of new car. What's the justification for this chatbot? Basically, we need to have 24/7 able to answer basic question, provided to customers who are looking for new car, and you can handle multiple customer at one time. Does not need any customer service personnel intervention and you can find answers straight away from the chatbot. So the scope of this chatbot was, able to handle new and existing customer or car owners inquiry, provide after sales service, book a new car test drive appointment, or even book a servicing car appointment. So the design framework is actually based on what we looking at the design framework over here. We have 4 pillars under new car, rental and listing, pre-owned, and after sales. So with the conversations which have come out for this project is to buy a new car. So basically, based on the new car, we have a new grid from the greetings to buy a new car, select the model, select the specifications, look at the feature, schedule a test drive, and appointments book. So let's get into the chatbot and do a demo for this. So this is a chatbot that for RideMeHome. As a customer or user, they can key in hello. So it will show you, my name is RideMeHome. I'm here to assist. Please key in options to continue. By keying options, they will actually give you options to select. Are you looking for new car, pre-owned or rental, or after sales? So let's say I'm looking for a new car. You're actually telling what types of new car are you looking at. So you can actually key in type and what kind of models you are actually looking at. So are you looking for sedan, SUV, MPV, or supercar or hatchback? So I'm looking at the customer or potential car owners looking for sedan. So by pressing sedans, there is actually different model. Civic, City, or Accord. So for my chatbots, I'm actually doing on a Civics model. And Civic models, there are actually 2 specifications. One is 1.6 LX sedan or a turbo. So let's say I'm very interested on the LX model, I can just key in LX, and it will tell you, this new sedan 1.6 sedan LX price is 96,999. If you're interested on the feature, you can actually key in feature to understand more what are the features provided in this car. So you key in feature. So it actually show you what is the feature is available in this car. You can have VSA, ABS, Smart Street, Smart Keyless, cruise control, turbo engine, or pedal shift. So let's key in one of the feature as VAS. So the VSA descriptions is basically out from the chatbot, and we actually tell you what VAS is all about. If you want to find out more feature, you can type back and look at more feature. Let's look at the pedal shift. So pedal shift, I will show you the description of pedal shift actually is and how this pedal shift work. If you want to look at more feature again, you can click next back again. Let's look at the smart, which is smart keyless entry. So Smart's keyless entry is basically a one push start button for you to enjoy instant keyless access. So if you're happy with this answer or the feature, you can actually press next to do book appointment. So by having press next, they will ask you, do you really want to book appointment? That book to schedule a test drive. Okay. So under the test drive, you basically book appointment. Basically, what you need to do is put in your name and put your date of appointment that you wish to test drive. Example, 15th of March. What time do you want to meet for the test drive? You can put 1 p.m. So what happened? The chatbot actually confirmed Sam had booked a test drive on the 15th of March. At this time, 2020 at 29 of February. So this is the first chatbot for the conversation flow for booking a new appointment for a new test drive of a new car. So let's go back to another flow, which is looking at asking some question about rental and listing. So by going back, you actually bring you back to the main menu where you key options again, where you can see I have four options over here. So I'm really interested in rental. So by keying rental, they will tell you, here is the information for rental. Basically, for rental and listing is purely provide information what this rental and listing is all about. So there is actually options 1 to 6. You can simply key in any 1 to 6 options and actually show you the information. For example, let me press 1. 24-hour breakdown service is available for any hassle-free driving if you will take out the rental and listing options with Car Moto or Honda Singapore. So you can actually go back and press the back to rent, means basically back to rental menu to look at the information again. You can press back rent and let's say look at the number 5, insurance cover. So under rental and listing, we actually cover with all insurance for every car rental for local and Malaysia use. So if you want to look at more rental information, you can go back to back rent again. Let's look at free number 3, free addition driver. You can press 3 or you can try driver. Press driver. Okay, a free driver, basically you can actually apply free additional driver applicable for personal and company rental. So it's all subject T's and C's. So once you are done with this, you can actually, this is probably end of the information for rental and listing inquiry. So by having press options, it should bring back to your main options menu for this chatbot.